Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. I'm Laura, and today I'm going to be doing this very neutral, very work appropriate look. Nothing too complicated, so if you want to see how I did this, then please keep on watching. So I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation. Some concealer. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do brows next. So I'm gonna use this Annabelle Cosmetics brow pencil just underneath my eyebrows. Alright, and then this CoverGirl pencil to fill my brows in. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna use the Annabelle one to fill this one in. Now, Benefit Gimme Brow in shade number 1. So I'm just going to clean that up with more concealer. I have 10 minutes to finish up the rest of my face. And my eyes, PSA, don't do your eyebrows when you're in a hurry because they can get messed up. Let's start off with the Revlon Colorstay 12-Hour Eyeshadow Palette in Spring Moss. And I'm just gonna put these 3 bottom shades in my crease. Now I'm going to go into my Kylie Cosmetics Take Me on Vacation palette. And I'm going to add some of this. And I'm going to add some of this one. Let's add some of this lighter brown. Just on the outer V. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the tiniest bit of this darker brown just in the outer corner. Now with my finger, I'm going to take this gorgeous shade and just put that on my lids. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into this light brown and just kind of blend that with the goldish color that I just put down. Okay. Now I'm going to do some eyeliner and mascara, and then I'll do my face. some blush. So this is the Tarte blush in the shade Party. I'm going to use a fan brush. Now I'm going to just briefly contour. So I'm going to use the NYX blush in the shade Taupe. I'm going to highlight. Okay, now I'm going to set my face, lips, and then we're done. So this is the final look. Nothing too crazy, just very simple and pretty. So if you enjoyed, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you in my next video.